What if I told you there's a way to make $100,000 in 2025 without any upfront investment? Most people struggle to start a business because they think they need tons of money, time, or experience, but that's simply not true. In today's video, I'll reveal 3 proven business ideas that cost nothing to start and are already making people thousands of dollars right now. These aren't your typical suggestions like Etsy or Shopify. We're talking about untapped opportunities that are trending upwards and poised to explode in 2025. I'll share real-life examples, practical steps, and insider tips to help you hit the ground running. And trust me, you'll want to stick around because one of these ideas could completely transform your financial future. Now let's dive in and explore why these strategies are so powerful, how they work, and why you don't want to miss out. The first idea is TikTok Shop, a game-changing platform with massive potential. Compared to Amazon or Etsy, TikTok Shop has far less competition, meaning your products can rank higher with minimal effort. TikTok's organic reach is incredible, with new products quickly climbing to the top. For example, one shop selling t-shirts made over $41,000 from a single product, while another selling custom phone cases earned $35,000. And no, you don't need to make TikTok videos to succeed. TikTok's search feature allows users to discover your products even if you haven't uploaded content, but adding videos can amplify your exposure. Using AI tools, you can easily create TikTok videos without showing your face, which can significantly boost sales. TikTok's frictionless checkout process, allowing users to purchase directly within the app, also leads to 3-4x higher conversion rates compared to directing traffic to external websites. Even better, you don't need to stock inventory. Print-on-demand services like Printify handle everything from printing to shipping. You simply select a product, upload your design, and connect it to your TikTok shop. When someone orders, Printify fulfills it, and you only pay after making a sale. It's completely hands-off, making it an ideal zero-risk business model. The second idea is affiliate marketing, where you promote products and earn commissions on each sale. This model works exceptionally well because your marketing products already proven to sell. TikTok's affiliate dashboard shows trending items and commission rates, while tools like Hello Data provide insights into top-performing products and videos. To get started, request samples from brands or purchase them yourself. You can then create simple product demo videos, often filmed on a phone, that resonate with TikTok's audience. If you're camera shy, AI tools like Arcad AI allow you to create realistic, engaging videos without being on camera. This approach has helped creators generate thousands in commissions without upfront costs. The third idea is becoming a growth partner for TikTok shops. Many shops lack video content, which means missed sales opportunities. You can step in and create high-converting videos for these shops using AI. Offer a free trial video to demonstrate results, then charge a flat fee or take a percentage of the sales increase. This model is scalable, allowing you to handle multiple clients simultaneously. The key is to position yourself as a video production service focused on delivering results, regardless of the tools you use. These strategies, TikTok Shop, affiliate marketing, and growth partnerships, are perfect for building income in 2025. Pick one, take action, and start making money today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.